on day 342, meditation on faith. Buddhists distinguish 3 stages or levels of faith: inspiration, desire, and conviction. Inspired faith is the kind of admiration you might feel by reading a text, meeting an exceptional person, or hearing someone speak about the Buddha. Faith based on desire involves the idea of emulation. We aspire to know, to go deeper, and to become the same as what we admire. Both these kinds of faith are unstable because they are not founded on true understanding. Faith based on conviction, on the other hand, is based on a clear understanding that what we aspire to is possible. It is supported by reasoning. In the sutras, the Buddha asks his disciples not to believe blindly in what he tells them, but to test his words, just as a goldsmith tests the purity of gold by beating it, heating it, and pulling it. Words to meditate on. Wait, may we all have conviction-based faith that we are so powerful and we are the gods and goddesses, and whatever you believe is what is perfect for you. Meditate on that, baby. Mwah! Have faith.